Good morning. Today is travel day. Yeah, it is a kind of off the beaten path day. It's a one night drive, overnighter, and then come back. So I'm going to take y'all along for the ride and I'll tell you where we're going as we go. So y'all stay tuned. I was at Taco Villa a few weeks ago, and the last time I was at Taco Villa, I was in Texas. Are we in Texas?
I think we're in Texas.
We're in Texas. Let's go eat at Taco Villa. Anytime I'm in Texas, I gotta eat at Taco Villa. Okay, this is not a real Taco Villa like back home. They toasted the tortilla. This is the bean cup. I had to ask them to put sauce and cheese on it. So you got a Guadalajara?
I did.
And a combo chalupa?
Yeah, because I thought the Guadalajara was guacamole only.
It is.
No, it's got lettuce and tomato and cheese.
Oh. And a bean cup. I got a Guadalajara.
Oh,
And,
you did?
and a bean burrito, which is so weird that their tortilla is toasted. So Deborah just called animal control because there's a little puppy dog that's just hanging out here, right in the middle of the road. Did you call animal control?
Oh, let me get in because of the traffic. It's so loud. God, so many big trucks here. Oh goodness, it was loud out there. Yeah, I called animal control and she said the guy is on a call and he'll stop by here when he gets done. And is
he still out there?
Yeah,
I hadn't seen
right
him.
in the middle of the parking lot.
I know.
Animal control's better than him getting run over.
Yeah. Those guys right over there keep trying to get him to come over there. Oh, there he is.
And he won't go right up to anybody. He'll get close, but then you reach out for him and he runs away. So
all right, we're back on the road. Hey, there's some Rolos up there.
Oh, let me get my phone out of the way.
Those three over there to the left are mine.
Well, alrighty then.
And those on the right are yours. Look how cheap diesel is in Texas, $2.84. That's nice. All right, we've made it. And does this look familiar? Yeah, I'm back at my off-grid cabin home base in Texas. And I was here, just 2 weeks ago, and I mowed all this. Yeah, it must have done a lot more raining. Yeah. But it's not bad temperature-wise. I think it's 72. Beautiful yellow flowers. The humidity is about 60%. So, anyway, I am here for just one night, and then I'm headed back to New Mexico. Goodness, that was a fast trip. For one thing and one thing only. I'll show you what that is here in a minute. This is going to require my brand new gloves that I bought. Can't believe, I think it's the humidity that gets me so out of breath. Can't believe how much this grass has grown. Okay, I gotta hook up this battery on my van. So, let's do that. Look at that baby girl laying in the grass. Look at that baby girl laying in the grass. All right, the van is going on a road trip. It needs a bath. Look at the top of that van. Yep, the van's going on a road trip. Yay! All right, let's go.
couldn't figure out how to roll the window down.
You got electric windows.
I know, I was like, where's the window roller?
All right, you ready to go?
I'm so ready.
Well, it's good evening. It's not good morning. And Sammy's like, who are you talking to? Yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock in the evening here in Texas. And I just wanted to close out this video. It was a fast and furious run to Texas. And as you saw, the van is driving. Deborah's driving the van, and the van's going to New Mexico. If you haven't watched Deborah's video, and I can't remember the name of it, I'll put it on the screen. Something about being grounded and is she not a nomad anymore? Once a nomad, always a nomad for me. But you know, at the 1st of April, the end of March, I guess, 1st of April, I got the van running and got a new battery, and I was gonna kind of do some side trips or do some things in April with the van. And then I got the opportunity to go to Rockport and do the whole Rockport, Padre Island trip with Leslie. So I disconnected the battery from the van, put it back in the shop, and left. And I already have all my summer plans made and done, so I'm continuing with those. And I just thought there was no reason why I buy a new $160 battery and then the thing sit there for another year. When Deborah needs some wheels, and I thought, you know what, we could run to Texas, you could drive the van back, and it needs to be driven. It's been sitting up for 5 years, and that's just not good for any vehicle. And it needs to be driven. And, you know, I'm still in that thought process of, do I keep it or do I sell it? Maybe this is that part of figuring that out. You know, I just have a hard time selling something. But I don't really need it. But anyway, so the history of this van is I've only driven it very minimal, but lots of other people have been able to enjoy the van and the adventures that it has brought. And I thought, well, why not one more? You know, it's perfect. It's just sitting there. It needs to be driven. Deborah needs a driver, needs a vehicle to drive, and I thought, let's just go to Texas and pick it up. So we are not headed back to Texas this late at night, obviously, but we are headed to a place where we can plug in, clean up because we're filthy, and get some good rest, and then get on the road tomorrow and head back to New Mexico. Okay, I'm at this park I said I'd never come to again because it's $30. We stopped at Live Oak by the lake. They want $50 a night, so $30 it is. Look, I found this knife, United States Marine Corps. Yeah, it needs some help, but cool, huh? Just found it in the grass. Very cool. And the kids are playing ball. Yeah, kids are playing ball over there. There's the van. There's a truck camper. Got plugged in. So we can have some air conditioning if we need it tonight. Alright, gotta feed the pups and upload this video.